Meaning of dual purpose.
Dual purpose.
Dual purpose.
Dual purpose.
Dual purpose. The term dual purpose refers to something that has two functions or can serve two different purposes. This is often used to describe products or tools that can be used for more than one task, such as a smartphone that can function as both a phone and a camera. Dual-purpose items are popular because they allow people to get more value out of a single item. By having multiple uses, they can save space and money while also providing greater convenience. Overall, dual-purpose items are versatile and practical solutions for modern-day needs.